I want to inspire women and girls to believe in themselves, step forward, and make the change that they want to see happen.
One child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world.
Oftentimes, when you don't see a person of your background, of your skin color on the stage, in these fields, you underestimate yourself. You think that you may not be able to do that work. So I think when we have more role models, it encourages us to believe in ourselves.
Malala, that's a large swathe of broadcasting you're talking about, and there's only you. How are you going to go about it?
Well, small but mighty. I believe that we can get there.
And the world is in a state of flux at the moment, and this is the world you'll be reflecting, I assume, in your TV programs. Are you optimistic or are you pessimistic?
I am optimistic, but I don't want to deny the reality. Like, there are things that are not fair. There is inequality, there is racism, there is sexism, there is discrimination. So we cannot deny that, but I'm optimistic about the change that we can bring. So, and I am also optimistic about the fact that we have seen change throughout history, but we have seen that because people in our past have stood up. Now it's our time that we do it for our future generation and ourselves, that we bring that change. I believe in storytelling because it has been part of my life. It was my story that inspired so many people around the world to realize that not all girls have access to education. We hear about wars and conflicts, and we see this news on a TV, but we don't often see what is happening to an individual, to a young girl who just wants to go to school.